Hello and welcome everybody to a late night streaming session or early morning streaming session. This stream will basically be video one of our little journey through our very own awesome project. This project will be converting our current website, which is a WordPress website. That looks okay, but obviously if you're in digital marketing or design, your work is never good enough yourself, so we are going to improve some of it. And when we say improve, we are actually going to rebuild our website, everything with hand coding. So far, our website right now is just based on WordPress. We are running it with Oxygen 3, but the time has come to start practicing our coding skills, and I'm talking about hand coding. So this stream will probably be a bore for people that are not into coding, but yeah, this will just be something that we use to document our progress with our coding, everything through HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then moving later on towards the back end. This little intro video will go through our design choices and what is going through our head as we start a brand new project. Everything from design, UX, SEO, because obviously if you build a hand-coded website, your SEO is basically being built in the dark, meaning you've got no fancy plugin like Yoast telling you, hey, listen, you need to use this keyword more. This copy is not effective. All of this kind of stuff we are now going to do blind, but obviously with 6 or 7 years of web design experience and getting into the developer world, we feel this is our new challenge. So thank you very much for joining us. I'm now going to add some lo-fi music. Hopefully you like it. And yeah, if we don't say a lot, we are basically just focusing, and hopefully you enjoy our stream and hopefully you enjoy the cool music. Thank you for watching. Looking at this program is called Figma. Figma is basically a mock-up program or a wireframing program, a concepting program that you can use to go through and build a website. You can brainstorm ideas with your team members. You can there's a lot of stuff that you can do. We'll probably make a video about that some other time. Getting off to our new homepage. Chris Do is probably one of the best designers in the world. He owns a company called The Future, and whenever we see their work, we get this thing of, listen, it's time to up the ante, because this stuff just looks so good. We feel that we actually get inspired by this stuff, so it's like, okay, let's try and get close, not even close to them, but about 60-70% as good as them. So as they always say, if you want to improve in something, you have to keep on doing it, and that's why we to work on our design skills and then our coding skills. Let's jump into it. Our look that we're going for is basically going to be a blend between the Future, which uses these really beautiful full screen blocks. They use really bold fonts, and then their great color combination. They're blue and they're yellow. They're a studio of I think about 15 or 30 people, I can't remember. But if you look at all their designs, it's just really well done. This website was actually built with Webflow, as you can see there, but we thought, you know what, we are moving into the developer realm anyways, so instead of using something like Webflow, which is an awesome tool, we've built some websites with it. We thought, let's give ourselves a bit of a challenge and build something with our own two little hands. So we are going to take some inspiration from this theme, which is this material gray. You've got a beautiful charcoal black, and then the blue is a bit dark on our side. We'll probably change that around. But this material design, so you've got your gray here, and then if you hover, beautiful material hover effects coming up. So we'll probably code that into our service blocks and stuff like that as well. So these are one of the websites we'll be using for inspiration. Next up is something like BlockFi. They've got blue again with this material kind of look happening. Very clean website. The reason I like this is they've got this micro interactions happening. This is just a GIF image, I'm guessing. Let's see, GIF. But it gives your site this entire GIF. Can you believe little pun there? It gives your site this little feeling of being alive, which is really important in 2021. Micro animations or micro interactions with your online visitors. So that's basically why we love this. They've got some interesting art choices and design styles, so we'll probably keep that in mind as well. Next up, this is just beautiful. We found this on Behance, and if you look at the blur effect and then beautiful photos, we just thought if we do like blogs or something where we can have repeating elements, we'll probably include some of these style elements. Again, yeah, you can use any topic and then just look how beautiful this is. So this is basically probably going to be somewhere on our website. And then the last site that we love is Flipsnack. They've got a really good combination of blue and yellow. I don't know if this page will have it, but if you look at these fine details, that just looks cool. So we'll be including some of this. We like our blocks again, this micro animations going on. Trying to find one of the pages that's got some yellow in it. There you go. That yellow and black, also very professional. And obviously blue, a great color if you're building anything to do with technology websites. So yeah, that's our choices. This will probably be the end of our little intro video, as we don't want to bore you with all the coding stuff, and that will happen in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.